The village gathers once more. They stab dirt, argue loudly. The sky becomes local gossip. You once asked the monk, "What year is it, father?" He answered with lunar nonsense. 3 hours. 0 useful knowledge. You nodded, escaped conversion attempts. Your goat remains spiritually confused. The elder swears its heroic age. Translation: his back doesn't hurt. He wears a rusted helmet. Claims he fought a Viking. Weapon, broom, courage, questionable memory. Children count time by piglets. You count mudslides and geese, bad ones, always bad geese. You don't know your birthday. No one honestly remembers theirs. Ages here are flexible concepts. Old enough to help qualifies. Still young enough to complain works. Time isn't counted. It's endured. Measured in mud, not months. Britain's clock runs on dampness.